Kayo kasi. Nawala yung ano.
Can you find the ice cream? Where? Where is the ice cream?
Such a dumb. We lost it. It make a whole thing now.
There's one more.
Where? Wasn't that was for the other parts? I want that. Wait, shine a flashlight. Get my phone. Get any kind of phone.
Here's my phone. Can't find it. I can't find it.
Ta 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 ta. Where's the ano? Barrel. This will work because the glass and the ano will shine like this one. Then pretend they lost it. See? Shadows. See?
What if it was very clear and there was no shadows?
And it will be sparkly.
What if it wasn't sparkly? Wait. What if it wasn't sparkly? Alright, guys.
Ika kasi.
I'm using my sister's using
No, it's not that.
I know, ba?